The Merritt Island Dragon or Merritt Island River Dragon was a dragon-shaped green concrete structure that stood at the southern tip of Merritt Island, known as Dragon Point, where the Indian River Lagoon splits to form the Banana River Lagoon. The Dragon was built in 1971 by Florida artist Louis Vanderkar and property owner Ain Crystal. In 1981, the statue was expanded for new property owner Warren McFadden, with the addition of a tail and extended neck. 2 cave people, a caveman named Fred and a cavewoman named Wilma, and 4 hatchling dragons named Joy, Sunshine, Charity, and Freedom. The statues were located between the cities of Melbourne and Indian Harbor Beach, Florida, north of the O'Galley Causeway. The Dragon was created from 20 short tons, 18 t, of concrete and steel, and stood 35 feet, 11 meters, high and 65 feet, 20 meters, long. Known as Annie, the Dragon served as a landmark for both locals and boaters, and also as a playhouse for children. On special occasions, the Dragon would breathe fire. The idea for the sculpture was inspired by the American Indian legend, which held that seeing a dragon rising from the mist where the Banana and Indian rivers met was a sign of good fortune. In August 2002, the sculpture was badly damaged and partially collapsed into the water during a storm. Vandalism was blamed for contributing to the statue's destruction.
Come with me if you want a belly rub.
What?